Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I have an embellishment lot that I'm going to do separate from the stamps and dies. I got a lot of good response from everybody as far as how to separate all this. Most everybody said to do them in lots, which would be good. But some of you also said if you do them in lots, to do them like mix them up, like in one lot put some stamps and dies instead of all stamps and all dies in the lots, which is a good idea, I guess. So that's probably what I'm going to do. So you can get like a variety. Instead of just all stamps, you can get some dies in there too. The embellishment lot, let me just go over what's in this. First of all, you're going to get this. It's a canvas tape. And this is just going to fit in the padded priority priority bag. Okay. Alright. And then you're going to get these pocket pages. This is for baby girl. They've got 72 pieces. And this is a look-see about what's going to be in there. My battery thing's blinking and I just got started. Alright, and then I have a banner. Okay, there's 15 pieces, or I don't know if it's 15 banners or if they're counting the yarn, but it's either 14 or 15 pieces. So then you're getting a frozen sticker. I have boys and grand boys, so I don't think I need that. And here is a family sticker. Sorry, I'm trying to get it in there. I'm at an awkward angle here. And then I have a My Mind's Eye On Trend 2 wooden embellishments. And a My Mind's Eye Nietzsche or Niche. I'm not sure how they're pronouncing it. These are golden stickers and these are really cool. I wish I could keep these, but I just got too much stuff. Oops, sorry. Whoop, I just can't go the right way. And there's some dies that go, you know, that go with that same set. These are big dies too. I mean, not too big, but they're bigger than normal. Alright, and then we have two of these spare parts brads, one in pink, one in black, and there's the patterns that are on there. And also have adhesive ribbon from Martha, no wait, not Martha, it's EK Success. See that? Okay. And some ribbons. I got some pink flowers that you can make. It's got all the parts. Some pink ribbon. And these are really cute. I just don't need pink. Even for cards, I mean, I don't really use a whole lot of ribbon on cards. I've gotten to where I've used the glitter stuff. Alright, here's a recollection flower thingy. This is a metal right here with these leaves. And this is a metal piece with a cabochon on it. I'm sorry for the glare. I'm trying to get it the right angle. And then here's another one. Eek. Alright. And then I got some of these paper clips. No, you know what these are. There's some glitter ones in here. There's some plain ones, and then there's some with some little blingies on them. Well, I don't know if you saw that or not. Look, there's the ones with blingies, all different colors. There's the, let's see, the plain ones are sort of in the middle. You may not can see with this glare. There's black ones, blue ones, green ones, and then the glittery ones. The whole bag. Alright, and then there's a punch. This is an EK Success snowflake punch, but it doesn't punch out of the page as far as the whole thing. It's one of those that punches up until the little thing right here, and then it pops up. Okay, so the whole thing, that's why there's no hole. See, this is the bottom. Here's the snowflake, and here's the bottom. See, it doesn't come out the bottom, so it stays on your page, but these just pop up. Okay, and then I've got some glitters. I don't know who these are from. I've got so many glitters, it ain't even funny, so I'm sharing. It's got some red and green for Christmas, some royal blue, some, this looks like an autumn type mix. Not really, I mean, you could probably use that for Halloween, but it looks more like an autumn type thing. And then there's a silver one, but it's got iridescence to it, like there's some different colors in there. And then this white one here. Okay, and then, and I already taped this up. I was just trying to see if I could get it wrapped up. Then I'm putting in these little, they're not really, they're not, well, I guess they're kind of stick pins. This one has a point on it, so it is a pin, and it's got different kinds. Okay, and this one, these are blunt ends, so I'm not sure. I'm sure you can put, you know, beads and stuff on these too, but they're all the same, and there's 5 of them if I can get. Okay, and that's it. It's going to be $25 shipped, USA only, PayPal, friends and family. And if you're interested in this lot, let me know, and I will give you my PayPal address, and you can send it, and I'll get this out to you. Alright guys, if you have any questions, let me know, and I've got more coming. Thanks. Bye.